Okay, here's my book. Oh my God. Oh, this is 1 and 2. And they put the maps on the inside for volume 2 and volume 1. Look at that. The opposite one's map is, isn't that great? Oh my God. Oh my God. There's Monty. Okay, so there's Bill W. Isn't that great? Okay, so I got to keep this short to get it on Gab and Getter, because I am so off Twitter. Twitter's no good. Gab is marvelous. So here, this just came out of the garden. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. Oh, and here's parsley and cucumbers and kale. And the reason I'm making that is that I've been fermenting pickles for 30 years. I'm old. I'm 64 years old, almost. And all you do, if you make your own vinegar, you can make it really strong. Stronger than the 5% that comes from the store, and it tastes so good. This is apple cider cranberry vinegar. I got 6 more gallons over there. And you just slice up the cucumbers and stick them in the vinegar, and they'll stay good for a year and a half. Is that amazing? So I'm not canning cucumbers anymore. But you have to have real strong vinegar. Is that it? Oh, I learned how to play 3 songs on my violin. I'm getting good. But I'm stuck because I'm not willing to pay for sheet music. So I'm stuck. What am I doing? Oh, I have to keep this short. Okay. Say bye, George. Oh, wait. Oh, Melissa Red Pill makes me look sane, which is really nice. Mr. Flag, say hello to the people. I talk to my flag, don't tell anybody. Look, I got the wood in. Oh my God. All right. You need a bit. Mr. Flag, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Are you going to wave for the people, Mr. Flag? No, you're acting lazy? All right. Be lazy. No, I love you, Mr. Flag. Okay, bye.